Welcome to K2 Futures Analysis and Trading. Today is September 19th, 2012, Wednesday. We just had the housing new home sale data. Apparently it was quite strong. We're long from 1452.75. We have a 5-point stop. We'll be looking to take half the position off at 55.25. See if we can get a fill on this. Okay, so we're out of half the position at 55.25. We'll leave our stops in place down at 47.75. And we'll just pause the video for a little bit. Okay, it's now 10:35. And the market's struggling a little bit here, so what we're going to do is we're going to take off two of the remaining four. And we're going to leave our stop down here. Already picked up a couple of points, a little bit more on two contracts, so it would still be a break-even trade with the stops down here. And what we'll do is we'll put a sell order in for one at plus 1 point from entry 53.75. Okay, we've got filled on that, so now the risk is less than half of what we've made on the first part of the trade, so we'll pause the video and come back a bit later on and see what happens. Alright, it's now 11:21. Positions still ticking up a little bit here. Back up to the within a tick or so of the mid-morning highs. I'm just sort of poking its nose through there. We have an ABC completion coming up at 58. And of course we have the overnight highs at 59.25. So I'm going to go ahead and take profits of 5 points at 57.75. So I've closed out this trade now, and we'll just wait for a bit. Let's take a quick look at a 5-minute chart of the ES and see what held the lows this morning. Of course, we did have The weekly Globex lows at 49. We had yesterday's intraday low at 49.50, and overnight range was this orange area here, which was the 49 and change. Down to 53. We broke that a little bit this morning. But if we put a 786 retracement from the overnight highs to yesterday's lows, we really only came back to test the 786 zone, which is in here. And then we shot up on the news and came back and tested it once more, and up again for a fairly choppy morning. We've got a short entry in at 57.25. Yes. Never got. Okay, we didn't get filled on that. So we won't chase it. We'll just cancel this order for now. See if we can get filled at 57 even. Okay, no fill there either, so we'll cancel the order. Okay, so we might try again. At 57.50. Okay, we might move that entry to 57.75. Okay, I'm going to cancel the order for now. Just sit flat. Okay, it's now 3:45 Eastern. We're going to take a small short here at 57.25. We're in a pretty tight range. If we have a look here on the 30-minute, these two orange bands here, 1460 to 1450 is the current range. Assuming we're going to get a break pretty soon from this, we should get a sort of a 10-point move from a break either side of this. So we can move our stop to 61.25 to be outside that range. I'm sort of getting towards the end of the day now, 3:55 Eastern. I'm going to put my profit target to 55.50. See if we get filled on that. Okay, so I got filled at 55.5. That should just about do it for the day. So we'll take a quick look at the points today. Put on some data here. We'll go across to a 1 minute. This was the end of our trading yesterday, just after the close on the 9:18 video. We had an entry last night at 54.25. Our first profit target was actually 59.25, would you believe? We didn't get filled, and consequently got out of it this morning here at 55. And we also went short at the same time, 8 at 55. Put a total up here. So we're short at 55. Took off 4 at 53. Let's say 2 on the first half. And we took off another 2 at 52. And another 2 at 52.5. So we'll just call that +1 on the second half. Makes it easy. Sorry, +2. And then we went long again, 8 at 52.75. We got out of half at 55.25, so that was +2.5. And then we lightened up the position. And then we got out of the other half, the other one, the remaining one contract at 57.75. So let's just call that 54.75. It was a little weighted here compared to the one here, so let's just call that 2. And then we had the little short at the end of the day here, just one contract. We picked up 1 3/4 there. So 4, 6.50, 8.50, 9.50, 10.25. So that's about it for Wednesday, September 19th, 2012. Thanks for watching.